All right. Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm the treasurer in training along with Angie Meyer here. We have made some changes that we wanted to educate the project leaders and people who this would potentially affect at the county level. So we had a change with the office, the move, and we no longer have a folder that's going to be changing hands. And to reduce the amount of errors or money getting lost, that kind of stuff, we're taking out the middleman and having people go direct. So we're still based everything off of the income expense form that it already exists. You are more than welcome to continue to use this if you wanted to use it as your approval document. On the website, so the UW extension under 4H, there's a big blue button that is the expense slash income forms. You'll be able to click that and go to those links. The expense form is anytime money is spent and approved for different events or fundraising, that kind of stuff. You'll know if you're one of our people that need to be doing this. Like poultry project, we have llamas, rabbits. We also do food stand as well as the fruit sale, that kind of stuff. So any expenditures would go through the expense form. Things that you need to have saved to your device, whether it's your cell phone, a tablet, computer, whichever device you have, you're going to want a signed form or an email approval from your appropriate county leader. Again, saved to your device, along with your receipts saved to your device. If you have all those things, you can move on to filling out the form. You're going to want to fill in your email address here. That email is going to send you a receipt when you're all done so that you know that it got submitted. If you don't get something back from this, it didn't go through and you need to re-enter it or double check and make sure that there's no little box saying this is required. Um, the all of the expenditure accounts that can have monies put towards it are listed here, every single one. So you just need to find your account number. So let's say we're placing something for clowning. Uh, and the dollar amount cannot include sales tax. So please make sure we will be double checking all receipts when they come in. We're able to double check everything. It goes into a nice Excel worksheet for us, and we're able to look at those documents and double check. That dollar amount needs to be pre-tax dollars only. Whoever you are, whoever's doing the submitting, you're going to put your first name and last name, your phone number, and describe your expense. The check payable can be somebody else, whether it's a business. Let's say you got an invoice for the cheese for the fruit sale. That would be the business name or whoever the check needs to be paid to. So this information may also match who the submitted is, but it cannot be the same person who's doing the approval. So whoever's sending the approval needs to be somebody else. And then you're going to fill in all that information. These are all required things. You need to have where your street address is and city state zip code. That way the check can get sent to you or to whoever's needing to be paid. Then you'll hit the add file button. You'll be able to upload your receipt here, your approval email or form. You can also add up to 4 additional documents or receipts. So if there's some other communication happened and you'd like to share that with us, feel free to upload it. Once you've filled out all of those things and put all these documents in, these 2 being required, these 4 not being required, so you do not need to have these, it will not require it. You'll hit submit and it'll send you an email. For income, again, very similar. You're going to want to use your email. This is monies that you're going to take directly to the bank. You're going to get that receipt from the bank, and you're going to need that. That's the only document we absolutely need to have is that receipt from the bank. It's about this big. Um, and you can take a picture of it with your phone right after you do the deposit. Um, and you can leave those checks blank on the back. The bank has the stamper to be able to make that happen for us. We are okay to go. They will make those deposits for us. Uh, as long as you have that deposit slip in your phone, you'll then be able to put in your information because you're the one who submitted that deposit to whichever account it was for. Again, they're all listed here. The dollar amount, who you are, your phone number so we can call you if we have any questions, describe what it's from, and then the deposit slip's the only required information. If you have an additional supported document that you'd like to keep with it, um, feel free to upload it right here. It's not required, but you can. Then you'll hit submit, and then again, it'll send you a receipt, and you will be able to get that email to confirm. If something isn't in there, it will give you an error message on whichever box you missed. So you'll be able to see that and go back and fix it and then hit the submit button. It won't erase your progress. And that's it. Angie, all right, and that wraps up this training. If you have any questions and need to get a hold of either Angie or myself, this is the email address we would like you to use. Thank you so much for watching our video.